Alright, look what Tina bought. Because I love sour, so she ordered this for me. What is it?
It's supposed to be the most sour candy on the market. So Sour Lady is going to test this and see if it's accurate.
It looks like it has like a zipper top.
Nice.
Ooh, it smoked when I opened it.
Ooh. I think it reminds me of like that old school Dippin' Sticks. Do you remember that when we were kids? You just
they don't make those anymore.
Yeah, it grossed me out.
I used to love those. They weren't they sour?
I didn't like them. The whole idea of the cross contamination of and then
It's your own saliva. Ooh, they're pineapple.
It's dried fruit. Okay.
Okay, let's.
And then this is the powder side. So
Okay,
this
so-
must be the watermelon
So
side.
let's take this out and we'll. Here you go. And do we lick it and then dip it?
Ew, I don't know. I don't know. Let's just see what the residual is at first.
Let's see.
Seems a little.
Like a powder.
Did it stick?
No, I think you're supposed to lick it.
Maybe that's all you need.
Okay.
Take a little.
Okay.
Take a little nibble.
You gotta like coat it.
Oh, you know what you could do is drop it in there and zip it and shake it up.
Okay, do that. Put it in.
Oh no, I don't.
You got a lot more than.
I'm afraid.
I don't think it's like the hot things. Like it's not gonna hurt. Ready? Ready?
Okay, ready.
Three.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's delightful.
It's enjoyable. Don't you think it's enjoyable?
Yeah.
I don't think it's bad at all.
Do you taste watermelon on the backside?
Gonna double dip.
It's yours. Oh wow. Oh my God.
That is what sour should be. That is how sour things should be.
You know, if you need to exercise those facial muscles, you just need some of this and you'll be doing a lot of eat.
Look how much I got on there.
Look how much I got on there, like none. Oh, you took the whole thing? Euphoria? Are you getting the euphoric feels of the sour?
Supposedly when you taste sour, like it brings you into the moment and you don't worry about the future or the past. And I can tell you, I'm just thinking about sour right now, so it's working. But there's enough powder in here that I can coat a lot of stuff. So I don't have to buy sour candy anymore. I can just take fruit, dunk it in this.
Yeah.
This is highly enjoyable.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you,
Really
Tina.
glad.
I love it.
Wow.
Final boss. Wow. Oh, I don't want to lose my powder.
The pineapple is delicious.
PAC-man, they're making candy now?